Hi, this is Alyssa. I'm an M-Class coach with Amplify, and today I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to set up your devices if you are conducting remote assessment using Zoom. The first thing that I'll do is I'll open up the PDF of student materials that I've already downloaded from the University of Oregon website. I'll click on that, which I like to keep on my desktop, and make it reduce it a little bit so it's only taking up half the screen. Then I'll scroll down to the set of materials that I need. You may have already noticed that this PDF contains all the assessments for the entire school year, so you want to be sure that you find the one that you're actually going to be using and have that open. I'll be conducting the oral reading fluency assessment today. In my second window on my device, I'm going to open up my M-Class assessments in my browser window. I'm going to scroll down to the student who I will be assessing, open that up, and then that's all ready to go. So on my one device, I have my student materials and I have my M-Class assessment window. If I have a secondary device, a touchscreen device, I can open my M-Class assessment window on that touchscreen device. The next thing I'm going to do is open up my Zoom account, click on that, and I'll start a new meeting. Once I make this call, you'll see that my nephew, Dylan, who agreed to help me with this tutorial, will be eagerly waiting to get started. All right, so let's start this meeting. Okay, so once I open Zoom, I admit my student from the waiting room. And are you ready to take your reading assessment? Okay, so yes. I'm going to share my screen. And then I'm going to make sure I don't share the full desktop because I don't want the student to be able to see what I am assessing. I'm only going to share the document that I want my student to see, which is the DIBELS 8 benchmark document. So I click on that, I share it. Once I share it, I can be sure that I've shared the correct document because there's a green outline around what the student can see. Then I'll bring forward this window, my M-Class window. I like to shrink down the video so it's only the student showing, and I'll move it out of the way. So I like to move it down to the bottom here. I might make it a little bit bigger by dragging out the corner so I can see him. And then I'll get started. So I'll select the oral reading fluency. I'll check with the student that he can see the document. Are you able to see the document? Are you able to see the story? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Great. I'm going to read you some instructions. So please read this out loud.
As new organs, it cannot swim. It is.
Okay, okay, great. You can stop there. You did a great job reading. So the pop-up menu opened up. I closed that up. I say yes, it was remote assessment. I'll click and hold on the last word that he finished. And that assessment is done. All right, you did a great job. You're all set. Thanks, Dylan.
Bye.
Bye.